You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and now we're bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'm going to show you very briefly in the next 3 minutes how to subscribe for the Porto fan token on Binance Launchpad. Very briefly, guys. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. Also check the channel for other educational and informative content. If you come right here on Binance, this is the Binance homepage, you go to this area, go to Launchpad. So when you come on Launchpad here, you see Binance Token Launch Platform. Right now, we see the Launchpad right here, which is FC Porto Fan Token. And this is a Launchpad going on right now. And the subscription period is on, remaining 2 hours 41 minutes left for subscription period to end. So if you have been holding BNB for the past 10 days, please come to this area and click on this icon. So when you click on this icon, it will take you to this page. Now, before now, we were seeing at this point preparation period, but now the preparation period have ended and we are now on the subscription period. So you have to log into your Binance account, go to Launchpad, and when you go to Launchpad, click on this icon and it will take you to this page where you have to do your subscription period, because you must have to do your subscription to be able to get this fan token. The type subscription and the sales, 1 Porto equal to this amount of BNB, which is equal to $1. And this is the total number of token offered to Binance for this Launchpad, which is 4 million Porto token. And the initial investment you can use, that is the minimum BNB you can use to participate, is 0.1 BNB. And the subscription period is on, so you have to log into your account and do the subscription. Right here, you see the subscription period is 2 hours left, and we see the total number of BNB that have been committed is 3.3 million BNB. And the total number of participants is 107,611 participants in the past few minutes. So all I have to do now is to commit my BNB. Now, what you have to do is to commit everything. What Binance will do is they will do the calculation period after the subscription period, and they will give you the total number of Porto token that you will get based on their calculation period. Let's say, for example, you were holding 50 BNB for the past 10 days. So they will now give you 2 BNB worth of Porto token, and they will return the other 48 BNB back to your account. So that is how it works. Not because if you commit the entire 50 BNB you were holding for the past 10 days, they will give you 50 BNB worth of Porto token. It does not work like that. So you have to understand how it works. After commitment, they will do calculation period right here. After calculation period is the final distribution period. So all I have to do is to come here and commit my BNB. So you see success here. I have already committed. Now, after the subscription period is the calculation period. Binance will calculate and know number of tokens you were supposed to get based on their calculation, based on the fact that you were holding BNB for the past 10 days and the number of BNB you were holding. And the final token distribution period will take place by 11 a.m. Now, one thing very important that I want to say right here is that after the token distribution period is the listing of the coin. Please always ensure that you sell off your coin or sell 50% of what Binance give you from Launchpad. Reason is because after launching, the coin will definitely drop right down. If you look at past Launchpad, I'm going to show you the chart. If you look at this very well, this is Lazio fan token. After Lazio Launchpad, I advise that day that you sell off your coin. So if you sell off your coin around this area or within this region, the market will drop right down. You would have been in good profit so that you can buy it back again at a later date. I'm very sure that Porto fan token is going to do more than 1,500%, but immediately after listing, ensure you sell off your coin and then you can buy it back at a later date when the coin drop right down. If you've not subscribed to this channel, Remit Trade, help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification. If you want to enroll for the Remit Trade intensive cryptocurrency course and mentorship program, check the description of this video. You see a WhatsApp contact and reach out to us immediately. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.